Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable dark mode in Windows 11 without Windows activation. I'll show you guys how to do it. Go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it and select yes. Check my video description for this registry path. Just copy and paste it in the address bar and press enter. On right side you can able to see app use light theme. Just double click on it. In your case you will be see one value. We just need to change this to 0 and click on OK. And same thing for system uses light theme. Just double click on it, change 1 to 0 and click on OK. And just close stuff here and right click on the taskbar and select task manager and scroll down to the bottom. Find Windows Explorer. Just right click on it and select restart option. And now you can open the settings or file explorer and you will able to see the dark mode guys. And that's how you can enable dark mode on Windows 11 without Windows activation. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.